Hi, my name is Britt. You can call me Cheese.
Hi, my name is Elisa.
And this is Brian.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes,
No, it's not.
Oh my! Oh my god! I'm so frustrated right now.
Alicia.
So Mommy, vacuum demon. Why don't you love me for who I am? Oh. No one loves Jason. Who loves Freddy Krueger? I just wish you'd accept me. I don't like Michael Myers. You're not my kid. I'm melting. I hope you do.
Okay, Alicia, you come out and hold the camera, and I'm gonna say that was awkward, and 10 ways to forget your parents now.
I thought that was way one.
I didn't say that was awkward, I'm just like, Alicia, get up here, hold the camera. Hi! Hi! Stop chewing off! Hi! There you go. Whoa, they're really hot.
Mommy, you still love me, right?
No. I don't have a child. What are you talking about? I don't know you.
But I came out of your womb.
I don't know you.
Yeah.
Are you on drugs?
I'm real. Mommy, why is there so much? Mommy, no.
Calling the cops. Calling the cops.
I don't want to be neglected.
This ain't right.
No. No. Wait. No.
That was really a silent bullet. Alright then. This chick.
So, Mom, I went drinking yesterday. I'm just gonna wear this to the club. Later. I'll be back at, like, never. Okay, I got Mom, what are you doing? Mom, no! Mom! Mom! No! Stop! So, Mom, I went to the restroom today. I went to the restroom today. And, we were out of toilet paper. So, I did the smart thing. I went to the store and I got some. And then...
You can't use my money, did you?
I did.